Sabrina and Jason, that's correct. Quan Corporation caters to thousands of the island's Manamku, but also hundreds of the island's prisoners.
Since November, major meals providers were notified that they had to develop these plans if they were serving susceptible populations.
Susceptible populations like senior citizens. According to Department of Public Health Director James Gillan, food vendor Quan Corporation caters meals for the island's Manamku. That's 1,900 meals 5 days a week via the senior citizen centers and home delivery services.
When you're dealing with the susceptible populations, like, again, people in nursing facilities and hospital, senior citizens, you really have to have a plan very specific to how the food moves through the system, how it's cooled, how it's heated, how it's stored.
As of today, Quan's contract was scrapped when Public Health pulled their sanitary permit as a result of failing to come into compliance with the new food code, specifically the requirement for a hazard analysis critical control point plan.
Quan or Basil was not able to meet this, so every time we went to do an evaluation, not having that certified plan in place was another demerit, a downcoding in their status. The last time they were at a C rating. Today, when our staff went in, because again they did not have the certified plan, they automatically went to a D. That effectively closes them.
Although Quan's permit was revoked, it was only for its Anigua kitchen. It doesn't affect the food contract for the Department of Corrections. But KUAM has learned there was confusion because emergency procurement was already effectuated to provide food to the Mangilao prison and Hagåtña detention facility. According to Global Food Services Group Vice President of Operations Clifford Guzman, GFS will be serving dinner tonight, up to 750 meals which will be prepared out of Ruby Tuesdays and King's Restaurants kitchens. Guzman states GFS was requested under emergency procurement through the General Services Agency to do so temporarily, while GSA secured a long-term vendor. KUAM, however, has learned that might not be necessary now because Quan's permit was only revoked for its Anigua facility and does not apply to DEPCOR. According to DEPCOR Deputy Director Carla Borja, this means inmates and detainees will be served 2 meals tonight. Gillan, in the meantime, says he doesn't know who will be contracted as an emergency vendor for the island's senior citizens tomorrow.
Our challenge is that we cannot afford to have our seniors go without their meals, especially the ones that are in homebound delivered meals.
This wouldn't be the first time Quan Corporation has made the news. In fact, complaints from prisoners were heard at the district court relative to the quality, quantity, and timeliness when it comes to serving meals, resulting in extreme weight loss and health issues. Additionally, in February, the vendor was in danger of having its sanitary permit pulled for non-compliance. As a result, Manamku were served canned kidney beans and tuna, crackers, and cut beans. Prior to that, in January, this same vendor had delivered hundreds of suspected spoiled meals to the Department of Corrections. Bree and Jace, back to you.